What's up, you guys? So it's Mark again from the.rooted Progress, and today had to go to Subiworks this morning, pick up some of my spacers that we ended up not installing on the Subaru. So that's good. No spacers is a good thing. I thought I had needed them before, but Subiworks was able to get the tires on and everything without having to use the spacers. So that's good. So if you guys are looking for spacers, hit me up in the comments below or DM me on Instagram. My Instagram account is right here if you guys want those. So these are the Perrin 30mm spacers. These are pretty sturdy, strong, good quality. It's hub centric to 5x100 Subis only. Only wore it on the car one time. Thought I needed them, but we ended up not having to use them for the lift kit and the wheels and tires. So these are up for sale, up for grabs. If you guys are interested, hit me up in the DMs below on my Instagram. Our Instagram is right here. And yeah, my parents need me to move the car back in, the MR2. So this is my baby. Haven't been driving it for a while because it has some codes on it, but we are hoping to drive it soon. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see me work on this car and just get it back up and running, because boy, I freaking miss this car. It's so clean. Alright guys, so I just finished getting the MR2 back in the garage with my parents. That was a little challenging because it doesn't go into reverse and we had to push it in, and so yeah, that was really tiring. But now I got my safety goggles on. We're about to do some trimming on the fender well, because even after the lift kit is installed, we still grab onto right here and it cuts up the tire. So just to be on the safe side, we're gonna trim a little bit down here up to there, and we'll see if it does better. So this thing basically overheated and it's barely turning on. So we're giving it a rest, and we're doing it manually with a nice Douglas Co saw. So here we go.
1 hour later.
So our friendly neighbors came by and they helped us like just cut off the rest since we were taking so long and making a ruckus. And in less than like 5 minutes, we got it all cut. Woo! There's like a big hole there. It's not sealed up. So we're gonna have to seal that off sometime when we take it to the body shop. But for now, that should be good. No more rubbish, hopefully. And let's go hit the trail, man. All right guys, so we got the car out here in the field, kind of like in the backyard of my parents' place. I'm with the homie Michael. He got his Jeep to get me out of trouble if I fuck up anything, but so far there's not much rubbish and I freaking love it. Yeah, we'll see how it does. Should I try to drift that corner right there? Start from over here and then hit that. Oh shit. Woo! Woo! How was that? Feels like a rally car. Holy shit. Sick. Let's go ahead and check out this hill right here. This should be a good tester for the locker. Whew. Oh, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Michael with the cautious approach. Can he do the climb? And he's climbing. And he's climbing. Look at that traction control work. Oh my God. It's going. It's going. Oh my God. Oh. And he made it. Yo, what settings were you in?
Sport.
Just sport? You didn't have any of like the dirt or snow control on?
No.
It did well.
I
Had some wheel slip, but
yeah. Just right
the traction control figured it out. Last time when I was over here with Esteban, we kind of like passed on this place because I don't think I had enough ground clearance. But I think I want to try it now.
Probably could. We go
Just the descent right here is a little pretty rutted, but if I stay right, it should be good.
Stay right on all sides, like right here and then right
Both
there.
sides?
Yeah.
Stay right?
Also go left, but
That's close to the rock though,
yeah,
so if we slide then
rock,
I think right would be good. All the way right. Heading out now to wherever Michael's taking us. I don't think it has a name, but it's over by Redlands, California. So we have to drive through the canyon, and then there's a dirt road, he said, that leads up to there. It's pretty well maintained, he said, but it's a nice little secluded spot where you can see Mount Gorgonio and San Jacinto, I believe. But yeah, overall, super satisfied with the Boochwagon and her progress. Definitely cutting the little piece of trim that's in the fender well makes a huge difference. It basically rubs only on high-speed bumps and really deep articulation in the rear. It will rub just slightly, but way better than before. Still cuts up the tire just a tiny bit, but overall it is solid, and I am super like enjoying the locker in the rear. Like, I took some of those obstacles really slow on purpose just to see if the power would cut out. Power did not cut out. It was solid. I was in one the whole entire time, and we didn't even air down. So that's kind of a testament to say how much of a difference the Torq Locker and the all-terrains make for this car. Super excited. My friend's pretty impressed with it, and yeah, solid. Alright guys, we're here.